What's up, guys? My name is Graham. Welcome to the Need Feed. Today I'm going to show you how to make smoked paprika pasta with black mussels, charred broccolini, and romesco breadcrumbs. There are a ton of different ways to make fresh pasta, but I like to make it the traditional way. When you're making fresh pasta by hand, you really start to appreciate how two simple ingredients are transformed into so many different possibilities. You can find the full recipe in the description below. To start, put 2 1/4 cups of flour down on a flat surface. Build a well in the center with your fingers to place the eggs in. Exhibit A. Next, add 2 whole eggs and 4 egg yolks to the center of the well. Add the smoked paprika, salt, and olive oil. With a fork, whisk together the eggs and gently begin to incorporate the sides of the well. Keep working around until the dough starts to form in the center. Now, use your hands to work the dough together and incorporate all the flour. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 45 minutes. You can also make the dough the day before and refrigerate overnight. Now, the ingredients for the pasta sauce: shallots, garlic, parsley, chorizo, broccolini, black mussels, white wine, and chicken stock. Chop up the shallots until they're minced. That's minced. Chop up the garlic until it's minced. That's minced. Pick the leaves off the parsley and chop it up. Next, chorizo. I have 3 ounces here. Remove the outer casing and chop it up. Grind your chorizo in a grinder, like this one. I'm using the attachment for my KitchenAid. If you don't have a meat grinder, you can just finely chop it up. Next, cut the stems off the broccolini and put them on a tray. Season with some olive oil and salt. Grill the broccolini or roast it in the oven at 450 until the edges blacken. Then rough chop the broccolini. And now back to the pasta. Did you forget about the pasta? Because I did. Now my insanely hard pasta dough will go down on the board with some flour. Cut the pasta dough in quarters so it's easier to work with. Take a rolling pin and roll out 1/4 of the dough. Fold it like a taco, switch directions, and roll it out again. On the pasta attachment for my KitchenAid, I've set the dial to number 1. Run the flattened dough through the KitchenAid attachment. Fold the dough on top of itself and run it through again. Keep running the dough through, turning the dial up each time until you hit number 5. Using the pasta cutter attachment, run the dough through one more time until you have fettuccine. Exhibit B. Then place it on a rack to dry. Boil some water with salt. Drop the pasta in for 3 to 4 minutes, or until it starts to float. Fresh pasta always cooks a lot quicker than your average store-bought pasta. Strain the pasta and drizzle some olive oil on top. And now to put it all together. Add the olive oil to a pan on medium heat until it shimmers. Chorizo goes in first. Cook down for 3 to 4 minutes. This will release all that beautiful flavor and aroma from the chorizo. Next, add the shallots. Cook those down until they're translucent. Then add the garlic and cook down for a minute or two. Next, add the white wine and cook it down until it's reduced by half. And then add your chicken stock and repeat the same process. Once the liquid's reduced by half, add the mussels. Add your grilled broccolini. Next, add your pasta. Add your parsley. And a tablespoon of butter. Stir the pasta around and incorporate the sauce. Now let's make it pretty. I like to twist the pasta to give it some height on the plate. Now add some of that sauce and that beautiful chorizo. Place the mussels around the plate and a little bit more sauce. Here I have some tomato confit and romesco breadcrumbs, which I'm putting on top. You can find links to both of these recipes below. Finish with a little bit of parsley. Make sure the room is well lit and enjoy your smoked paprika pasta with black mussels, chorizo, and charred broccolini. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out all the links in the description below and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell.